Okay, the tools we're going to need today are hand drill or a 3/8 impact with a 15mm socket on it, and some kind of extension, pretty long extension with another 15 socket to take off your old motor mounts. These are new motor mounts. Take off your old motor mounts from a 1998 Chevy Suburban 5.7 liter. Okay, here we go. Try to take this one off first. Okay. That's what the new one should look like. Nice and beautiful. Good rubber, bad rubber. Good rubber, bad rubber. Or gasket or mount. Okay, what I didn't show you was the bottom of the truck. You're gonna have to go through the frame to get to the nuts that holds the motor mount down, and through the bottom of through the middle of the frame, between the control arm and the frame, and they should be in there. Let me see if I can shine a light on it. There, see? 1, 2, and then there should be a third one in there. And there it goes over there. Right there. Now, all I have to do is put these 15mm nuts back on there, and as you can see, my hand won't fit, so that's when this comes in. You got to use the extension with the 15mm socket to put these back in, and we'll be back when we get it done. Okay, as you can see, the new motor mount is in. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is all it took for me to install that. Okay, this side took longer to take off, but it's off. Old mount. And new mount. Oop, wrong side. Flipped it upside down. Alright. Now, to install the nuts and the bolts. Okay, so we have both our motor mounts in. Brand new motor mounts. The driver's side took a little bit longer, probably like 30-40 minutes. I don't know why, just the way things are. This side actually took me like 10-15 minutes to pull off and put it back on. So motor mounts in, engine is ready to go in.